What does it take to power an economy? It takes efficiency. Oklahoma CareerTech partners with businesses across the state, providing resources and training to save money and increase productivity. Businesses like Head Country.
I would challenge somebody to tell me another category in the grocery business that is as competitive as barbecue sauce. For every Head Country that's on the shelf, there's 10 more companies like that that want to take our place.
As Head Country looked to increase efficiency and grow its bottom line, it turned to CareerTech for advice and training on lean manufacturing practices.
So as a result of going through and looking at their process in their warehouse, we started talking to them about the lean journey. And one of the first things we did was to put the whole company through what we call Lean 101. Quadrupling output numbers is a real number that has been proven time and time again with lean manufacturing. It's working smarter, not harder. It's working in a clean environment with less inventory and less money being paid out and more money being brought in.
In working with CareerTech personnel and listening to the advice that they gave us about using lean manufacturing practices and implementing those things within our Head Country warehouse, we were able to save $700,000 annually.
Because of CareerTech, Head Country has been able to stay nimble, reducing warehouse space by 22%, even as its products skyrocket in popularity around the world.
Specifically, Head Country, all the dollars that they bring into the state, they're not local dollars, they're some international dollars. I think that's a big impact, that revenue to the state. It enhances our quality of life.
CareerTech has impacted our overall success in various ways. We've educated ourselves, we've educated our suppliers, and that's all been with the help of the personnel here at Pioneer Tech.
One of the advantages of going to a Career Tech program is the relevancy it gives to the academics that you have. That relevancy helps keep students engaged. Not only is it good for them, it's good for our businesses, it's good for the economy because we're developing a skilled workforce.
There are businesses that can't increase production because they don't have the skilled workforce to do so. So we provide that pipeline of skilled workers.
So what does it take to grow a business?
It takes training.
It takes efficiency.
It takes CareerTech.
With over 7,000 business partnerships, CareerTech is a critical resource to the health of our state's economy. CareerTech, powering Oklahoma's economy.